Hello everyone. Today I am going to show the use of vector class in Java. Vector class, we use vector class in Java for creating such heterogeneous types of data, because we insert homogeneous data in array, but sometimes if we want to insert some different types of data, some heterogeneous types of data, so we will use vector. Here I am going to explain the definition of vector. First of all, see the screen. That the definition is vector class contained in the java.util package. You know that Java has lots of packages, so and each and every package contain class and methods. So vector class contained in java.util package. Next definition is the class can be used, that means vector class can be used to create a generic dynamic array known as vector that can hold objects of any type and any number. That means vector class can be used only generic dynamic array, whereas in array we cannot use data or element dynamically, but here in vector we can insert data dynamically. Okay, so vector that can hold objects of any type and any number, right? We can insert in a vector list, in a vector integer, character, strings, any type. So this is the importance of vector. And next and the last definition is the objects do not have to be homogeneous. The same thing which I have just explained in my definition, that vectors not only take homogeneous, but it takes heterogeneous also. So this is the definition of vectors. Next point is creation of vector. How we create vector? So there are generally two ways for creating vector. The first one is vector, and this is a vector object. New is a keyword in vector. So without size we are defining here vector. So by default the size is 10. Here the another way is vector. This is the vector object new, and this vector size 3. So here the size, I have defined the size 3. So generally there are two types of creating vector, right? Now let us talk about some vector methods. So I have mentioned a few of them. Though the first one is list.addElementItem. So this method describe that we can add item at the end of this list. We can add item at the end of this list. Okay. Next is list.element@10. Right. So these methods show the 10th object of the list. Okay, this method show the 10th object of list. Next is list.size. List.size, how many objects are present in this list, in this vector? So it will show the number of objects present in list. Next is list.remove element item. This method remove the specified item from the list. Next is list.remove all elements. That means this method remove all the elements present in the list. Okay. Next is list.copy into array. That means copy all items from list to array. So these are some methods of vectors which will be used in program, right? Now I'm going to show some examples, some programs of vectors. The first one is, you can see here I have written one example here for you all. The top line is import java.util.*star. That means this is a package, util is a package, and .star. So all the methods and classes are importing in this example, in this program, right? Next is class test. This is the class name, and this public static void main string args. Now this line describing that the creation of vector vec, that is the object, equal to new vector, right? This line describing the creation of vector. Now next line is vec.add. This is one of the method, add 1, vec.add 2, vec.add rlsy, vec.add college. So I have put here 1 2 3 4 elements. 1 2 is integer and 2 are strings. So now next line is system.out.println vector is plus VEC. That means this is the vector here I have just mentioned. And see the output. This is the output 1 2 RLSY college. So this is I have just add the item in this vector. 1 is added, 2 is added, 3 is RLSY is added, college is added to vec. So these are the index: 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, and finally system.out.println. That this I have just print this vector. So you can see the output 1 2 RLSY college. So let me show another example of this vector class. See the another example. Another example, that means this is the method void add int index and object. This is the method, and let me show the example of this method. Import java.util package and public static void main, and vector. Again we are defining here vector v equal to new vector. So v is the object of vector. Now you can see here v dot add 0 comma RLSY. So 0 is the index. RLSY will be put on 0th index. V dot add 1 comma college. So college will be put on 1th index, first index 0 1, and v dot add 2 1972. So this integer value will be put on second index. That means 0 1 2 third index. Okay, 0 1 2. So now let's see the print. What will be the output? System.out.println vector is plus v. So v is containing all three items. You can see the output RLSY college 1972. So these are some methods, some examples of vector. These are not all, but you can implement in your examples using these methods. I have mentioned few of them. So mention your methods in your program, right, and implement the program. And if you have any problem, so you can put your problem in comment section, and I will try to remove your problem. Thank you very much.